Hey guys, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making the perfect fudge. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to start by greasing our 7-inch shallow non-stick square pan by spraying it down, putting some parchment on top of it, and just spraying it one last time. Okay, we're going to start by heating 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 a cup of whole milk, 3/4 a cup of evaporated milk, 5 tablespoons of diced butter, and finally 2 1/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Alright, so we're just going to gently heat this mixture until all of the sugar has dissolved. Then you're just going to go ahead and bring it to a boil. Alright, so as you can see here, I soon discovered that my previous pot was way too small to do this, so I quickly just transferred over to a different pot and just kept mixing. Alright, so now I have brought it to a boil. So now we're just going to keep mixing continuously for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, now we're just going to bring out our candy thermometer, and it should reach 240 degrees Fahrenheit when it's done. So as you can see here, we're about at 220. Now we're at 230. And finally here, we're about to reach 240. Let's hope it happens soon. All right, so we just reached about 240, which is awesome. So that means we're going to quickly take it off of our heat. And then we are going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so after you add your vanilla extract, your mixture should start to cool down, but it should still be super hot. So make sure to be very careful as we are dumping it into our pre-prepared pan. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it in there, and then we're gonna refrigerate it for about an hour. It looks super delicious, so I'm so excited to enjoy this delicious fudge.